Oh, is that Chris? Oh, and we back with another video. Deja las orejas, cabrón. Maldita sea.
Repeat what I said. Repeat what I said. Can smack my cart. Can smack my cart. Go.
Yeah. This shit like a motherfucker.
Bro, I literally can't. You literally can't see anything in this fucking car, bro.
So?
You didn't want the smoke.
Destination is on your right.
Where'd he go, bro? I should smoke that nigga. Yeah, we back, bro. We at Strats. It's a car meet. It's a real sick car meet. There's hella nice ass cars. But yeah, we just cruising right now. We chilling good. It's my first time here, so I don't know what's good. And I don't know. It's actually pretty lit for the first time that I'm here, to be honest. It's actually really nice cars. It is nice as Lexus. They're nice as Lexus, but it was nice as Lexus. Look at that Z. This is nice as fuck.
Just regular.
That's nice as fuck, bro. To back in Strats. Should I get paid for this? I'm not getting paid for it though, so. Should I? I don't know, bro.
I'm gonna pay sponsorship.
Hope so. That shit is straight back to motherfucking Mario. Sorry. Oh, no, you good, bro.
Hey, put it, subscribe. I got a YouTube channel. Record Strucket. Record Garage.
Same, Danny Omar Vlogs. I'm here. Hey, he wants me to subscribe to his YouTube channel, and I said same. Just subscribe to Danny Omar Vlogs.
You're lying. You're lying.
God, you are right. That just happened.
Hey,
I literally just said, let's go in.
Hey, get inside.
No.
Ask him.
Should I?
Be like, stop. Stop, bro. You need to chill out, bro.
Should I ask him to go in? Why not? I can't.
I like that she was ready to box him. Let's do it. Oh. Yeah, smoked or what? Clean. I don't know, ask him.
Should I? Dude, they're drinking in
Is that Ops over there? Huh? Let's go. Nice. Matter of fact. Look at that zero blue. There's a whole shorty. Ooh, I missed that. I'll tell you, this Lexus and Matte Black, bro, is that's the Lexus.
Is the one that caused
Next time you just gotta grab it out of my hands. She said straight fireworks. Straight shut the fuck up. Nah, I'm playing. I know who this is. This is Loyal. I know exactly who this is. Look at this nice ass Audi right here. She got that nice ass wrap. Low-key for my first time being here for hey, is this your first time? Hey, is your first time? Kiana, is it your first time?
No.
It's not?
No.
What about you tomorrow?
Yeah.
What about you, Chris? Damn, you can't even see, bro.
I thought we had them on, but you were like, turn them off.
Hey, Chris. What are you doing?
Let me get a close up. Let me get a close up. Hey, slide me some. Slide me some.
Damn.
Slide me
Hey,
some.
Y'all already eating all the chips, nigga? Slide. What is it?
What chips?
Hey, for your first time, you.
Oh, let me
hey,
get a
this your
piece,
first
bro.
time?
Kiana, please. Kiana.
Is that your first time?
Kiana, bro. Just a
Is this
small
your
piece,
first
bro.
time? Is this your first
Can I
time,
be a
bro?
kid,
Answer the question. Nah, just kidding. We like.
He's gonna upload this and everybody's gonna hear that in the background.
I don't give a fuck. Get my cookie, bro. Hey, Chris, let me get a piece. No, bitch. Chris, come on. Just let me get a piece. Chris, I'll suck your dick, nigga.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Oh, she really about it, bro.
Come on, then.
And she really about it.
Oh, no. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, boy. You are fucking stupid. You're fucking stupid. Shit.
That's all period.
Hey, y'all hear that though? Yo.
Hey, security is over there doing nothing. He's a pussy.
Oh.
Then you're gonna put some good ass.
Why is that relevant? Why is that relevant?
What you gonna say?
Like the one like
What the fuck? Dumb bitch.
Oh.
You are. If she's so happy in a relationship, why the fuck she getting involved in mine? You're in high school. Shut the fuck up. Oh. You got the same amount of brains on this fucking pig, you stupid bitch. Oh. You got fucking mole off your face. You're fucking cancer. You fucking talking shit. I'll take it out.
Ooh, y'all hear that though? That shit clean, dog.
Yeah, roll that fucking window up. Oh! Slap that shit back to sit home. You talk shit, but you ain't gonna do nothing. Huh?
Wait.
people's drama. Watch that shit come to you real quick.
Boy, if you don't get.
Hey, go repeat what you just said right now. Repeat what you just said right now.
I said it sucks when you have to break down.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, I don't know what the beef is over here, but they gotta speed it up. They gotta box it out or something, bro.
Marcus, yeah, hurry the fuck up.
Oh, they about to do something. Never mind, going to his car.
I said it sucks when you have to break down.
Again, bro?
Can't didn't hear what I said apparently because she just told me to hurry up.
You know how I go, she runs so I took her to the
Man down. Fuck the apps, yo. Man, fuck that nigga too. Slow. Then we can hang.
I don't need no stylist. Look, I ain't talking about side. I'm taking no ride since, but I told myself I need to stop it. Wanna take my bitch on the island.
Yo, I do not recommend that. I caught that.
Yes, sir. Damn, yo. This is the best city in the world. If y'all don't know that. Look at this. G37 and a Z. So here's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And make sure to hit that subscribe button because we're about to hit 150 subscribers, which is insane because, you know, we just hit 100 like, I say like a month ago. I mean, I don't know. To be honest, I'm high. So I'm all over the place. Let me know if you guys actually want me to do, like, go to those more. Those are actually like pretty fun. So let me know if you guys would like seeing more of that content. So but yeah, overall it was fun. It was fun as fuck. There's hella nice cars. So but yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Oh, this is the end of the video. I'll see y'all later. Do it to your flashlight. Bro, get out. Go home, bro. Get out.